Hello guys, my name is Peaches and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the theme of IntelliJ IDEA to Material UIs. So first you should launch the IntelliJ IDEA, and I guess you have already installed on your computer. Okay, so on the menu file you select we're gonna have to select preference on Mac OS, and on Windows instead of preference you should select the setting option from the file menus. And from the option menus here, and you're gonna see the plugins on the left sidebar. Right here we're gonna choose the browse repository in order to choose for the plugin that we want to install. In order to install Material UIs, you're gonna search, make the keyword Material UI here, and there you can see several versions. And the first version is Material Theme UI. This is the original one, and it hasn't been updated for a long time. But I guess you can choose either of this version. Both are okay. So I'm gonna use the original version, which already have around $1,000 already. Okay, I'm gonna choose install here on the right side and just wait for a while for the plugins to be downloaded and install automatically into the IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, and I guess everything is done, and you can click on Restart IntelliJ IDEA button here, right below the plugin name, and then click on Restart. And it's gonna start restarting IntelliJ IDEA, and it will load the new plugins. Okay, just wait for a while for it to complete. Alright, so after restarting the IDE, you can see the change already applied to the whole IntelliJ IDEA theme. But on the first loading, you can see the editor themes, the code editing themes hasn't been changed yet. So we need to apply the change for the code editor. Okay, so we choose the preference. Again, we gonna choose the editor, and right below we gonna choose the, let me see, you can choose color and font. Here we're gonna have the scheme. Right, scheme, there are three new options for material theme, which is a darker, default, and lighter. And by default you can choose the default option. This is the default scheme for the editor. Apply this. Right, you can see the change on the code editor, or the color, theme, and font has been changed, and it looks here quite materialized. And it depends on your configuration. You can select preference. You can change on the way you want. Like you can change font. Here you can change different fonts. In my case, I'm using Federal Code, and secondary font is Source Code Pro. You can take enable ligature to see ligature for all the special character. Alright, so I guess that's it for changing theme in IntelliJ IDEA, and I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next coming tutorial.